Hey everybody, it's day 2 of ISE. The Logi stand is absolutely buzzing. We've managed to get some space. I'm sure someone's going to walk through shot at some point.
This is take 3, so it's already happened a couple times, to be fair.
How's the show been, Nathan?
It's been great. It's been great. I mean, obviously, the big announcement this week, or at least for us here, has been Rally AI Camera and Rally AI Camera Pro. So yeah, we can talk about it. It's amazing to have them all
we tried to get a shot here of all the different options because there's quite a few permutations. So you've got optical and digital. You've got the digital only. And you've got kind of a on-wall or in-wall.
And that one that's in-wall, the white one right there.
So
right?
with the fabric cover, which I'm really excited about the in-wall. I think the idea of having them really subtle and multi-camera, and these are out of the board 65, aren't they? So they still have the little spin for a visual cue of on or off, which I love.
Yeah, so the privacy is just like Rally Board 65, right? We have the automatically privacies. You end your meeting, the shutter closes. So in this case, the PTZ goes down, and then the shutter closes as well.
I love that.
You know, one of the funny things is that most customers have been like, we're all going to multi-camera. Everyone has multi-camera in all their conference rooms today. But it's a science experiment. There's these cameras hanging off the walls everywhere. So with in-wall, it just does a little bit better to blend into the wall, you know, either white or graphite. And that way, you know, it doesn't feel crazy when you walk into a room.
And you've got an in-wall box for the option with the.
We have one for the big one. It's actually up here, which you can't see because we only have one angle here. But yeah, we have one for both cameras essentially.
Nice. It feels like you've done a lot of work to really slim these down. So traditionally with a PTZ camera, you'd have a big box quite far off the wall, but actually kind of visually, you know, these are kind of this far off the walls.
Yeah, it's about, I think, an inch and a half shorter than our traditional Rally camera. But the other thing is that it's got so much more packed into it. Now it's also 5 years later, right after, or 6 years after Rally camera, the first one. So obviously technology is much slimmer, easier, more compact today. And then the mounting, I think the best part of it, not only we have all these different mounting options, including that one that's a pivot mount, because not all walls are the same. Sometimes it's in a weird corner and you want to, you know, switch it around. You can just literally move that. There's a hex screw on the bottom. You can move it, get it in the right position, and then you're done. But the best part is if you have a Rally camera, you don't have to re-drill any of your holes. Even though the mount is physically different, we have the same hole pattern as the old one.
I love that attention to detail. That's great.
Our engineers are fantastic. They've thought so much about this because people don't want to re-drill holes. That's the most annoying thing. I know for me at home, it's like my wife doesn't want me to make any more holes.
No.
So that's just a great thing.
And it's great to you guys kind of pushing boundaries as well. You know, you were inside out with the site. Now you've got 2 sites as well. And now outside in, so you've kind of got all options on the table for your customers.
Yeah, that's the goal. We want to be as flexible as possible for our customers so they can use their technology as their needs grow, their rooms change even.
Awesome. Yeah. And I know you've been doing a bunch of content around the show as well. I'm sure people will catch that on your LinkedIn and your YouTube as you get it up. Thanks so much for catching.
Oh, great to see you, Tom.
Yeah,
always.
And if you're at the show, come to the stand. If you can get on the stand, see all the camera options.
And it's 2K100.
2K100.
So if you're at ISE, come visit us at 2K100.
You're so well trained, Nathan. Cool. Cheers, mate. Thanks a lot.
Great to see you, bud. Cheers.